I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you find yourself with locked funds on the Binance app, follow these steps to recover them. Step 1. Open the Binance app. Launch the Binance app on your mobile device and log into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the recovery process. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once logged in, tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account balance and transaction history. Step 3. Check for locked funds. In the wallet section, look for any indication of locked funds. This may appear as a notification or a separate section showing the funds that are currently inaccessible. Step 4. Submit a support request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. A quick note, make sure to check your spam folder for any follow-up emails from Binance after submitting your request. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for updates from Binance support. They may require additional information to process your recovery request. I hope this helps you recover your locked funds. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.